are back at Miss Mooreland, and today we are revisiting this dormer. We are taking a look at what we need to do. If you'll recall, we cleaned all this up, took all the limestone down before it fell down, and we are looking at rebuilding all the brick so we can put the limestone back up. And we are trying to figure out what we need to do to continue on with that project from here.
It's a very daunting task. I mean, we have to take down all this stone, all these windows, all this brick, and have the house supported at the same time. So it makes us a little nervous. We hope you're not watching just for the catastrophes. We're taking down the whole front of the house, baby.
We are.
Trying to figure out what sand they used. Oh, what bricks they used. Where to try to figure out what sand they used, so when we go back with it, try to replicate it. But we might do bigger sand because this
it's pretty fine.
Looks pretty fine. Almost as fine as Carrie.
Oh.
But I don't know if I've said it before. I'll say it again. This is gonna be this is a doozy right here. A little bit of a daunting task, trying to get this entire brick and stone wall down and put it back up.
Yeah. One brick at a time, Bobby.
Yeah, down and up.
Yep.
But it's got to be done.
The mortar's just disintegrating.
Yeah. Because it got wet for a long, long time.
Yeah.
But remember, this is 130 years. So, 130 years is a long time. If you show me a house that's built today that's going to be still standing in 130 years, the people are like, well, it could have stood a couple more years. But it's 15-inch wide brick wall right here, and then the stone starts about, I don't know, starts right down here, right after this crown molding that's stuck in the brick. So the stone starts about right here, out there. Yeah. And then it goes out, just sticks out just a little bit farther, so I don't know, it's about 16, 17 inches thick where there's a stone veneer. So there's some brick and some stone. But this is the part that was covered by that crown molding. If you can see that crown molding, the inside of that crown molding. That's the box gutter / crown molding / water retainer.
Huh. Yeah.
But this will be a couple days, I think, taking this down.
Yep.
And then we'll find out how many months it takes to put it back together.
We gotta do what we gotta do, Bobby.
Yeah.
My job is to stack the bricks.
Oh, you'll have plenty of jobs to do all along the way.
Yeah. I'm kind of starting a nice little stack right there. So.
We're trying to stack the brick where there's brick underneath it instead of on the floor where it's just supported by floor joists.
Yeah.
But this is the only brick we've got to take down right here, and then it starts stone. So the stone will probably start taking down with Bertha once we get to that area. But this was easier to do from inside the attic.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I just remembered as I was taking this stuff apart, I remembered that one of the things I thought was holding the entire facade up was that stone right there. So I thought I would video pulling it and see if anything happens. I don't know. I figure a few of the bricks will fall, but how many? If we had have pulled, well, see that would have fallen that one. Whoa. I don't know that it would collapse the whole thing, but because the box gutter crown molding thing was around here holding all that up, so it might have held together. But it sure was spooky when I saw that that was holding those bricks up right in that corner. So it might not have knocked the whole thing down, but I wasn't gonna take that chance. Does this look like fun?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the brick wall. Right down here is the second floor window to the bedroom. Here's a big lintel stone across that window. I've taken the limestone down. This is where it was. The limestone facade was right here. This is the brick. And then this is a floor joist going across, so it supports the floor. So the floor wasn't supported by the brick. So I can pull this brick down, and I'm gonna have Carrie go down and videotape what it looks like from the second floor, where this is. So the next picture you'll see is me up here and Carrie down there. Piece of wood down.
Secure, keep going. There.
Oh, it's way down there.
Yeah, there's a little bit of an arch right there.
Okay.